together, from the banker, there's the World Bank, who's a banker but also a development partner, to the venture capital, to the Post Bank, to protection of investment. The free zones authority. So I want to thank, in addition to the investors, the panelists, those who actually put this program together. I must say, as an individual, I have greatly benefited. So thank you very much. The team from the ministry, from the private sector, who have been working on poverty. Of course, I've been taking all the flowers on your behalf, but you all know that I played just a little part. Most of it is done by the foot soldiers. So we thank you, and the moderator has already told you the program for the afternoon. Please don't go away. Stay and benefit. Like everybody has said, you are the investors. And what is interesting is most of these young people you see, you even had the students. They are students, but they are directors of companies. Most of them are not just here as students, they are actually business people. So this was put together for you, and we are very happy that you have come in big numbers. I have been getting the reports of what is going on in the other conference rooms as well. So thank you everyone, and let's get back together in the afternoon. But before I leave this podium, I want in a special way to appreciate our panelists by giving them a small token of appreciation from the Ministry of Tourism and from the organizers of Poverty. So can someone please bring our gifts to the panelists?